everyone, welcome to my channel. Tonight I am making lasagna. So let's get started. The first thing I did, I already did this part, I browned 3 pounds of hamburger and I cooked my lasagna noodles. I'm going to use 8 noodles in this. I am going to put it all in a lasagna pan that is 13.8 inches by 9 inches. I'm going to use 3 jars of Classico traditional sauce. You can use whatever you like. This is what I use. I use 3 of these. They are 24 ounces each. I am going to use 1 bag of Parmesan cheese, shredded. It is 6 ounces. I use 1 container of cottage cheese. This one's low-fat cottage cheese. I usually don't use the low-fat one, but that was what the store had. So that's what we're using today. It is 22 ounces. And I'm going to use 2 eggs. These are from my farm, my chickens, and I'm gonna use 2 of them. So let's put this together. I almost forgot to mention the mozzarella cheese. I use mozzarella cheese. I have 4 little bags. I usually just get the 1 big bag and then go from there. I kind of just use handfuls. I'll show you how I do it. But they didn't have that at the store this time, so now we're going with little bags. You'll see how much I use. So now I have my cottage cheese, my Parmesan cheese, and my eggs all mixed together, and I'm going to start layering. Okay, it's all put together and ready to go in the oven. The mozzarella. I used 1 bag of mozzarella for the first layer, and then I used 1.5 bags, so 12 ounces of mozzarella for the top. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 for 1 hour, uncovered. I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out. This lasagna is finished. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I'll see you on the next one.